Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Water's been rough since the morning. Wind's kicking pretty good. I know this stretch of water, and I know what this boat can do. Cooler pack behind me, music playing down low. Carry on cutting through the chop, right where she's supposed to go. Wasn't saying it was easy, just knew what had to be done. Then I hear from right beside me, I think you ought to turn. Where? Over there. Why? Just seems better. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Let 'em drive the boat. Lord, let's see how this goes. Got every gauge in front of them, still asking what they show. I'll be sitting in my shades, keeping one eye down the coast. Everybody knows a little something till you let 'em drive the boat. We ain't cleared the no-wake yet. One studying the dash. Fuel looks pretty good, sure does. How much we got? You're looking at it. Other ones watching all the markers. We need to stay between. Between which ones? The red and, you know, the other one. Green? Exactly. Glad we're all caught up. First good wake comes rolling, catches us a little wide. Cooler slides about 2 feet, bag of chips goes for a ride. Hat goes flying toward the stern. Everybody grabs their stuff. One looks over real serious. I knew that wake looked rough. You did? Yep. Would have been useful sooner. Anybody save the chips? No? Alright, carry on. Let 'em drive the boat. Let 'em run it for a while. Let 'em wave at everybody like they knew where they were going. I'll be sitting in my shade, still watching down the coast. Everybody knows a little something till you let 'em drive the boat. Another boat comes easing past. Somebody waves, we wave too. Pelican sitting on a piling, like he's watching this thing too. Fella fishing from the shoreline takes one look and starts to laugh. Calls out, "How you doing?" I call back, "Fabulous." He looks at me, I look at him. Neither one of us believes it. Little farther down, somebody says, "I don't know how you do it." I push my shades back up, getting real good at it. Now one decides we need a rope. Better have one ready for what? You never know. Fair enough. What knot do you use? Depends on what we're tying. Oh, long pause. Probably a bowline. Alright, tie one. You wanna do it? No. Please, I wanna see this. Sun sitting high, water sparkling. Finally everybody eats. Music's playing, nobody's talking. Best 5 minutes I've seen. Then, hey, no, I haven't asked anything. I know, I was just gonna say the tide's coming in. It's going out, that's what I meant. Course it was. Eat your sandwich. I know this water, I know carry on. Know when to let her run. Know which wake is worth watching and which ain't bothering anyone. Some folks know a lot about boating, long as nothing needs to be done. Funny how the answers change soon as you hand them one. Late afternoon comes rolling, winds lay down a bit. Sun throwing gold across the water, we're finally settling in. One's watching the depth, find a bit, staring at it a while. Plenty of water under us, how much? Enough? You sure? Absolutely. Alright. I slide my shades back down,
See what's coming, plain as day.
sandbar, not hidden, not moving, just sitting there being a sandbar. I look at them, look at it, look back at them. 1 point set the depth finder. See, we're good. What was that? Take a guess. Did we hit bottom? Nope. Bottom hit us.
Let them drive the boat.
Let them run it for a while,
Let them wave at everybody.
like they knew where they were going.
I'll be sitting in my shade.
Keeping one eye down the coast.
Everybody knows a little something.
Till you let them drive the boat. They can tell you about the tide. They can tell you about the wake. They can tell you where you're headed right up till they make a mistake. I ain't saying
Told you so.
ain't worth getting into all that. Just slide over a little bit. I got it from here. Motor comes up, everybody shifts. I ease, carry on off the sand, back into the channel. Music comes back on, cool, still cold. Chips are gone, hats been found. Could have been worse. We passed that fisherman again. Y'all have a good day. I push my shades back down. Fabulous.